Welcome to the top best. The best wrapping paper cutter is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves to wrap gifts, especially during the holiday season or for special occasions, as it can transform the tedious task of cutting paper into a quick and satisfying experience, ensuring clean, straight lines every time and eliminating the frustration of using scissors or dull blades that can tear or snag the paper, making your gift presentations look professional and polished with minimal effort. Number 5. SpaceAid WrapNeat 3-in-1 Wrap Organizer. Tired of a messy kitchen? Our bamboo wrap organizer brings beauty and order to your food storage. It's designed to neatly hold your essential kitchen wraps. This dispenser is ideal for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper. It's designed to fit rolls up to 12 inches wide, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Never guess what's inside again. We include 21 label stickers so you can easily identify each compartment. Or, choose a clean look by not using the labels. Our organizer features 3 slots for different wraps, offering flexible storage solutions. You can place it in a drawer or even hang it on the wall for convenience. Say goodbye to frustrating tears. Each slot has a built-in slide cutter that ensures a clean cut every time. It also keeps your rolls securely in place. Simplify your kitchen routine with this all-in-one wrap solution. It's designed for easy access and a tidy appearance, making meal prep a breeze. What we like? This organizer is perfect for keeping your kitchen drawers tidy and beautiful. It features 3 slots for different wraps and a built-in cutter for a clean cut every time. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to store your kitchen wraps and want the convenience of pre-made labels, this is the one for you. What people say? It easily fits my plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper, and the built-in cutter works perfectly every time. No more jagged edges or wasted wrap. The included labels are a nice touch, making it simple to grab what I need quickly. Makes it easy to cut off the precise amount of wrap needed. Number 4. DIY Crew 24-inch heavy-duty paper roll dispenser. Introducing the ultimate solution for your paper needs. This heavy-duty dispenser is built to last, supporting your projects for years to come. Crafted with a sturdy, all-steel frame, it's designed to withstand daily use and even the heaviest rolls. This is a tool that will be with your family for generations. It accommodates rolls up to 18 inches wide and 9.5 inches in diameter, perfect for butcher, craft, construction, and art paper. Load it easily with the loose end over the top. Featuring rubber feet and stabilizing bars, it stays firmly in place on your tabletop, protecting surfaces while you work. You can rely on its stability. Dispense and tear paper with just one hand, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. The dual-edged steel tear bar ensures a smooth, clean cut every single time. Easily hang it horizontally on your wall with the included mounting kit. Everything you need is provided, so you can set it up right away. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. You can trust in its quality and our support. What we like? This dispenser is built to last for generations, made from sturdy all-steel construction. It handles large rolls up to 24 inches wide and allows for easy one-handed dispensing and tearing. If you work with large paper rolls frequently, like for shipping or large craft projects, and need a durable, reliable tool, this heavy-duty option is an excellent choice. What people say? The flat blade gives me crisp and clean lines. I was able to make the tear with a single hand and it came out perfectly. Works well, sturdy and well made. It makes my shipping job a lot easier and can be used tabletop or mounted on the wall. Excellently built product. Feels like it could take a beating. It leaves a straight, slightly torn edge. Works great. Number 3. Kenley 18-inch butcher paper dispenser. Achieve clean, sharp cuts with minimal effort every time. This dispenser ensures your packages and gifts look neat and professional, saving you time and hassle. It accommodates various paper types up to 18 inches wide, perfect for holiday gifts, smoking meats, or your creative craft projects. Using it is incredibly easy, just pull and cut with one hand. Replacing the paper roll is also a quick and straightforward process. Place it on your countertop with non-slip feet or easily mount it on the wall. It's designed for stability in any setting. Constructed from durable carbon steel and sustainable wood with a strong serrated blade, It's built for frequent use and provides excellent value. What we like. Achieve clean, straight cuts effortlessly with this versatile dispenser. It accommodates various paper types up to 18 inches wide and can be mounted on a wall or placed on a tabletop. If you value professional-looking results for gift wrapping, crafting, or even food preparation and need a tool that's both easy to use and stable, this is a great fit. What people say. It never missed a lick. I'm a gardener and use a lot of paper in pots and on the ground for weeds because it decomposes and it's a good way to recycle. The paper I have left will come in handy and the dispenser will make it so faster and easier to use. It easily holds an 18x 100-foot roll of butcher paper. It's well made, pretty durable, and doesn't look bad. I like the serrated blade. It works better than some of the other types I've used in the past and I don't have to sharpen it in order to get a clean tear. It works like a charm. Very well made. Number 2. Wrapping paper cutter with 3 replaceable blades. Tired of struggling with wrapping paper? Introducing a revolutionary cutter designed for a perfect, straight cut every time. It makes gift wrapping a breeze for any occasion. Our patented design features 3 replaceable blade sets, ensuring your cutter is always sharp. Enjoy a clean, neat cut with its easy-to-hold handle. No matter the diameter, this cutter handles any paper roll with its unique will cutting structure. It even cuts individual sheets with precision. Beyond wrapping paper, it effortlessly cuts craft paper, cellophane, wallpaper, and even leather. Achieve straight, smooth, and neat edges for all your projects. Simply hold the handle and push for a safe, easy cut. The hidden blade design protects your hands, and replaceable blades come with protective covers. The package includes 1 cutter and 4 blade assemblies in total. Each blade cuts up to 1,000 times, providing tens of thousands of cuts for lasting convenience. What we like. Never worry about dull blades again with this cutter featuring 3 replaceable blade sets. It's designed to fit any paper roll diameter and offers a safe, hidden blade for easy cutting. If you wrap gifts frequently for various occasions and want a tool that ensures a consistently sharp cut and prioritizes safety, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The paper cutter is easy to use and cuts cleanly. It holds the wrapping paper securely and prevents it from unrolling. The design is compact and doesn't take up much space. Number 1. Bulman Heavy-Duty Steel Paper Cutter Dispenser. Introducing the Bulman Heavy-Duty Steel Paper Cutter Dispenser. It's designed for years of maintenance-free operation, making it a reliable choice for your cutting needs. This cutter comes with rubber feet to protect your surfaces. It also offers versatile mounting options, including counter, under-counter, or wall mounting. Changing rolls is a breeze with its convenient dowel holders and knife arms. They lock into an open position, simplifying the process. It holds large rolls up to 9 inches in diameter on a 3-inch core. This ensures long-lasting, continuous usage for your projects. Experience even and precise cuts every time. It utilizes a double-edged, spring-loaded blade that can be used on either side for maximum efficiency. What we like. This is a widely used, heavy-duty steel cutter designed for years of maintenance-free operation. It holds large rolls and cuts evenly with a double-edged blade. If you need a robust, no-fuss dispenser for frequent use in a commercial setting or for extensive crafting, and prefer a tool that's built for longevity and reliability, this dispenser is a top contender. What people say. The all-steel construction is very sturdy and not cheap or flimsy at all. The spring mechanism is very solid and puts an adequate amount of good tension on the arm that holds the paper and acts as the cutting surface when you are tearing sheets of paper off. The rubber feet were very easy to insert and so far have displayed no indication of trying to pop out. I am glad that the rubber feet were included, thus eliminating the concern of possibly scratching a wooden table, counter or other surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.